Everybody needs an antioxidant like the vitamin C serum. Help protect your skin, help to brighten your skin, boost radiance, and just help you maintain a flawless skin. Are you skipping your skincare routine? Are you cleansing your skin properly? Are you exfoliating your skin? Exfoliate your skin up to 3 times in a week. Buy skincare product that doesn't contain steroids. If you follow these tips that I'm giving you, you are going to notice a great change on your skin within 7 days. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to be having a 7 days challenge. 7 days challenge for a beautiful glowing skin. Yes, a glowing skin is achievable. A glowing skin is possible only if you follow the necessary steps that is needed to achieve this glowing skin. A glowing skin does not necessarily mean that you need to start buying a lot of products immediately. A glowing skin can happen by simply adjusting the way you do some of the regular things you do every single day. You can achieve a glowing skin that way. So now let us take a look at some of the things that can affect you from having a glowing skin. Number one, the sun. The sun is the number one enemy of the skin. The sun's UVA and UVB rays destroys and harms the skin. The sun's UVA rays is responsible for the wrinkling of the skin, while the sun's UVB rays is responsible for the darkening of the skin and the burning darkening of the skin. So you see why the sun is the number one enemy of the sun. And if you want to maintain a beautiful, youthful looking skin, you have to, number one, run away from the sun. Try as much as you can to stay away from the sun. And because we are humans, we cannot completely avoid the sun altogether. That is why we have sunscreen. Sunscreen is there to protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. And when you are making use of a sunscreen, ensure you are using the one that is broad spectrum and contains both UVA and UVB protection factors. That is because you also want to protect your skin from getting wrinkled, premature wrinkles, and all of that. So protect your skin from the UVA and UVB rays as well. So ensure you are making use of a sunscreen, and also try to put on protective clothing. Wear your hat, your long sleeves, and use an umbrella. Stay under shades and stay away from the sun as much as you can. Number two, never go to bed without washing your face. After the whole day's work, ensure that you wash your face thoroughly with a mild facial cleanser before going to bed. This is going to help you get rid of grime and dirt on your face, prevent your face from getting, your pores on your face from getting clogged. And when your pores are clogged, it leads to breakout on the skin. It makes you develop blackheads, whiteheads, acne, and that is not something that you need. So ensure you wash your face before you go to bed at night. The next tip is to make use of an antioxidant serum. What is an antioxidant? An antioxidant helps to prevent your skin from getting damaged. It helps to prevent your face from getting damaged by free radicals. So a simple antioxidant serum that you can make use of is a vitamin C serum. Everybody needs an antioxidant like the vitamin C serum, so ensure you are incorporating that into your skincare routine, because this is going to help protect your skin. It's going to also help to brighten your skin. It's going to boost radiance and just help you look more youthful and elegant. When you make use of this, helps you control hyperpigmentation and just help you maintain a flawless skin. So ensure you incorporate a vitamin C serum into your skincare routine. You can get this vitamin C serum from Etiskin. You can shop on their website or simply send a message on Instagram at Etiskin _ or chat them up on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to leave the number down below in the description box and also on the screen. So this is a very good vitamin C serum. It contains ferulic acid. It contains niacinamide, very good for preventing hyperpigmentation. The ferulic acid is a very strong antioxidant and anti-aging ingredient. It also contains snail fluid. If you know snail fluid, you will know that it is very good on the skin, and it is also an anti-aging ingredient. It helps to repair the skin, boost your skin barrier, moisturize your skin, and everybody should get this vitamin C serum because it is loaded, packed full. The fourth tip I'll be giving to you is to stay hydrated. Drink enough water. Drink enough water to help you get rid of toxins. Drink enough water. Drink a minimum of 8 glasses of water a day. It's recommended that you should drink a minimum of 8 glasses of water in a day. Ensure you are drinking water all through the day. Hydrating yourself is going to also help your skin because you won't be overburdening your skin. So drink water is very good. It's going to boost your moisture, the barrier. You are going to develop less wrinkles. Your skin won't even wrinkle very fast, and it's going to really work overall in clearing your skin. Okay, so ensure you are drinking enough water. And the next tip is to take your skincare routine seriously. Are you skipping your skincare routine? Are you cleansing your skin properly? Are you exfoliating your skin? Exfoliate your skin at least once in a week. But if you know you have hyperpigmentation on your skin and you want to get rid of it faster, exfoliate your skin up to 3 times in a week. And ensure that you are also toning. You are using a toner on your face, exfoliating toner. Make use of it on your face, and make use of a face mask. Use a face mask on your face every week, okay? And moisturize your skin properly and treat. If you have anything to treat, maybe you have acne, you have hyperpigmentation you are trying to get rid of, treat your skin as well. Those are the steps that you need to maintain a glowing skin. And trust me, if you follow these tips, that I'm giving you, you are going to notice a great change on your skin within 7 days. The 6th on my list is to change your pillowcases regularly. Change it every 3 days because you don't want to transfer the dirt from your pillowcase to your face. Your face is very sensitive. It is not the same thing with the skin. The skin on your face is not the same with the skin on your body. So you want to treat it with care and make use of a silk pillowcase. It's even better for your face. And make sure that your hair product is not transferring to your pillowcases and then transferring them to your face. So that is why you need to always change your pillowcases every 3 days. The next tip is to eat your fruit and vegetables. Don't joke with it. Fruits like papaya, watermelon, apple, orange. Just ensure that you are incorporating fruit and vegetable into your diet. This is going to help your skin to glow. Some of these things, the ingredients that are used in the skincare product like the extract, are gotten from fruit. Like papaya extract is gotten from fruit. So ensure that you are also incorporating it into your meals. Eat it. It's going to help you achieve a glowing skin. And the last tip I'll be giving you for today is to buy good skincare products. Buy skincare product that doesn't contain steroids, that doesn't contain chemicals that is going to damage your skin. Because if you buy skincare product that contains all these things, instead of achieving a flawless and a glowing skin that we are trying to get you to achieve, you'll be damaging your skin. So please stay away from skincare products with steroids and chemicals that is going to damage your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to be leaving useful links in the description box below, so ensure to check it out. I'm also going to leave links to where you can buy your skincare product. Buy skincare product that is safe and effective and is not going to damage your skin. So do check the description box down below to get the full details. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends. Share it on your social media so that they too can get to see this video. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out if you've not subscribed already. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.